Hi everyone, my name is Adrian. This is my lovely wife, Felicia.
Hello everyone.
And this is Ace and Arisa.
Hello.
I get to know Promax Design and Patrick through our family introduction a number of years ago. And he did for our first home and also my office. And it was very good. And this time round when we get our new home, without hesitation, we get to engage him again. When we get our keys to this new home, in fact, we are not sure what we actually wanted. So we went up to Patrick, and after discussing with him, showing us different themes of design and style, we eventually came upon this Victorian style that both of us kind of liked it.
Initially we wanted a bit dark colors like dark brown, dark blue, but Patrick advised that because of the area limitation, so the area might look a bit dark and small.
So in order to still keep the cozy feeling but not at a very dark theme, he's actually suggested to use lightings to create a cozy feeling. So if you look around the house, we have different lights permutations. The renovation process is actually very challenging. By the time we decide on the design to the time when we need it to be completed, because that is where the Chinese New Year starts. So what happened is that a lot of time we have to meet up with Patrick only at night at 10 o'clock. And he's so accommodating to do that. And he's able to rush off all the necessary things and even minor customization whenever we need it. I'm very satisfied with the entire outcome of this renovation. Living room has always been the place where my entire family gathered together, and I really appreciate what Patrick did to custom made a classic Victorian mirror where it really gives the Victorian feel. As we always invite guests to come over to our house, we actually requested Patrick to design and custom made a settee area where we can actually host more people sitting at the dining area. And this settee area also provide additional storage space for us.
We have this little charging station for our guests, and it's very convenient for them. They can charge as and when they like.
We love our room.
Okay, for the children's room, we wanted the kids to be together, but at the same time to have their own privacy. Patrick suggests to have this bunk bed so they can save space.
One of the requests that we have for Patrick is to add LED light at every single steps so that even at night it would be safe for Arisas to go to the toilet. And it also double up as storage space where they can actually put their clothes and their toys. The favorite part of my house is no doubt the study room, because that is the personal space that I need for my study. And in order to do that, first of all, Patrick designed a very nice barn door which is very unique to the entire space. And at the same time, whenever I need my me time, I can actually dim the light and create the atmosphere that I need for my personal space. I think one of the very important advice that I can give to homeowners is that the attitude of the ID is very important, and how accommodating is the ID will definitely affect the entire outcome of the renovation.
So the chemistry between the ID and the homeowner is very important, so that whatever you say, they know what you are talking about.
I think it's really fortunate for us to be able to get to know Patrick and Promax Design, who is so accommodating and at the end of the day give us the home that we wanted. So definitely we will want to recommend them to any homeowners who wants to design their home. We would like to say a very big thank you to Promax Design and Patrick in making our dream home come true.
And we're looking forward to welcome our third baby into this beautiful home. Thank you, Patrick.
And thank you, Promax Design.